Min popolazzjoni fil-ħabs titlaħħaq kważi 600 huma biss 10% tal-priġunieri li jattendu għal lezzjonijiet offruti fil-ħabs. L-edukazzjoni fil-ħabs mhix obbligatorja u hija għażla tal-priġunier li jattendi. Glenn Travers, edukatur fil-ħabs bi snin ta' esperjenza wkoll f'ħabsijiet fl-Ingilterra, jispjega wħud mir-raġunijiet għalfejn ammont sostanzjali ta' priġunieri qed joqogħdu lura milli jmorru għal lezzjonijiet.
There may be a number of reasons for this, though. It may be peer pressure, maybe they have a phobia from being at school. They may have got excluded, marginalised at school, all that sort of thing.
Mill-esperjenza tiegħu anki f'ħabsijiet oħra barra minn Malta, Glenn Travers jgħid li l-edukazzjoni hija part importanti ħafna għar-riforma tal-priġunieri u l-sistema preżenti tal-ħabs Malti qed tfalli.
Does prison work? Well, if you look at the recidivism rate, which is about 60%, which means for every 100 prisoners you put in, 60 come back in, which, you know, it's not a great success rate. So prison on its own really doesn't work.
Iż-żmien li l-priġunieri għattaw fil-ħabs għandha tkun opportunità li fiha dawn jiġu mejjuna jinbidlu biex jintegraw fis-soċjetà, jgħid Glenn Travers. Minflok iżda din l-opportunità qed tintilef fil-ħabs tagħna. Xarejn ilu il-Gvern naqqas bin-nofs il-ħin tal-lezzjonijiet offruti fil-ħabs minħabba nuqqas ta' flus.
I don't think the hours are enough at the moment. I think we need a bigger investment in hours. However, there is a problem with amount of classroom size. There's only a few classrooms available. So
jgħid li l-edukazzjoni waħedha mhux biżżejjed u li parti mis-suċċess tar-riforma ta' priġunier huwa x-xogħol.
More links with the community, more links with businesses and organisations, so as employment can be sought and gained when they come out of prison. Because if a prisoner is able to come out of prison and step into a job, the chances of him slipping back into his old ways is minimised.